song as your text ringtone for free? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show how to turn any song into a custom text tone and set it as your text ringtone without spending a dime. Let's get started. Before we start, download some ringtone in your iPhone. Step 1. Download GarageBand. Open the App Store. Search for GarageBand and download it if you don't have it installed already. After that, type ZEDGE. Type ZGE, which is one of the largest platform for any song or any ringtone. Install the app, tap Open, set up the app. Now type the ringtone that you want to set for your iPhone. Select the tap download icon, tap Set on Device, tap Cross icon. From these app selection, find out GarageBand. If you can't find it, tap the 3 dot at the end. Scroll down, tap GarageBand. Here you can see the name of your recent ringtone. Tap and hold it. Tap Share. Tap Ringtone. Tap Export. Tap Use Sounds as. Tap Started Text Tone. Now, open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Tap Text Tone. Here is your new text tone has been set. That's it. You've successfully created a custom text tone using any song on your iPhone for free. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.